Welcome to Module 3 of our Discover Your Purpose class. In this module, you'll identify your unique energizers and interests and use these findings to help you embrace your true passions. Don't forget to use the follow-along guide that comes with this course. Passions are not hard to understand. They are what you love to do. But passions are not always simple to identify. The word itself can feel loaded. We all hear, follow your passion, and that assumes we know our passions. Many of us can't point to a passion, let alone multiple passions. Often we've been so focused on everybody else's needs and desires, we haven't made room for our own exploration. But take heart, it's not too late. We'll start by exploring our energy. Are there times when you feel super energized? What do those times look like for you? Maybe you're enjoying a deep conversation with a girlfriend. Maybe you're working through a challenging problem in your business. Maybe you're hiking in a beautiful spot with your dog. Maybe you're lost in a creative project. Maybe you're at play with your grandchildren. Then again, are there times when you feel super low in energy? What situations drain you? Maybe it's a difficult conversation with a loved one. Maybe it's those daily chores. Maybe it's a tedious assignment at work. Maybe it's a certain time of day, whether early morning or later evening or anything in between. Everything we do has an impact on our energy. Some parts of our lives make us feel more energized, eliciting a warm, positive, even exciting feeling, while others deplete us, eliciting dread or some other negative feelings. And still others may not elicit much of a feeling, positive or negative. Why all this focus on our energy? Well, discovering our energizers is the gateway to uncovering our passions. That's why I'm going to ask you to follow the trail of what lights you up, what makes time stop, what fascinates you. Keep in mind, if the word passion feels too loaded for you, feel free to replace it with a word that fits you better, like your interest or your joy. Here are your assignments for this module, which you'll find in your follow-along guide. First, I want you to start tracking your energy as soon as possible. The more days you can do this, the better. Next, you'll be completing the interests reflection exercise. And with both those exercises complete, you'll be able to finalize your true passions, and you'll add your top 5 passions to the purpose worksheet inside the follow-along guide. See you in the next video.